This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust the screen sleep time in Ubuntu. I'll be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your screen sleep time, it's very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the pane off to the left-hand side, down towards the bottom, to where the Show All Apps button is at. I'm going to click on it. Then in these icons here, I'm going to find Settings. If you don't see Settings within your icons, you can go up to the top up here. You could type in Settings and you can find it that way. Mine happens to be right here. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to find the Power tab. I'm going to click on Power. Then on the center pane, at the very top you have Power Mode. You can choose between Performance, Balanced, or Power Saver. It doesn't matter which one you have. Down below that is Power Saving. The very top thing is Screen Blank. That is when your screen will go to sleep. Off to the right of that, I have mine set for 5 minutes. If my computer is sitting idle for 5 minutes, the screen will go to sleep. You can click that drop down there. You can choose between 1 minute all the way down to 15 minutes, or at the very bottom, never. If you want to turn it off altogether and you don't want your screen to go to sleep, you would click on never. Down below the screen blank is automatically suspend. That is for your system. If your computer remains idle for so long, it'll automatically suspend. You want to click this drop down here. You can change this to basically whatever you want. If you want to turn it off altogether, you would toggle off when idle, and your computer will not go to sleep. If you have it turned on, down below there's a delay. I have mine set on 80 minutes, but you can click the drop down. You can choose between 15 minutes all the way down to 2 hours. That is for your system itself. That is how to adjust your screen sleep time in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.